While learning data analysis or data science, I have found out that passion is not enough. You need guide, you need mentorship at one point or the other. It's going to help you on your learning journey. I'm Olaniwaju Onyiboke by name. I'm a certified data scientist, an experienced data analyst, and also a data management expert. Oh, did I forget to tell you that I'm also Microsoft's most valuable professional for business application. In this whole course, which is very short, just like 30 minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that will help you in your learning journey. I want you to learn data analysis and learn it the right way. I want you to improve your knowledge and have the right support the right way. Getting access to mentors or having your questions answered can actually be challenging because people are busy nowadays and there are a lot of questions on your mind every time. So this course, which is a nugget in itself, is just going to share with you things that I've learned over the years. And this advice is going to help you to go a long way. 30 minutes of your learning journey, but you never regret it. So give it a try. Check the content and make sure you practice these tips and run with them. I wish you all the best in this learning adventure, and I believe you can do it. Yes, you can.